Timber, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions. Stock market is dropping today, and I'm going to be breaking down why. We absolutely killed it within our live trading session today, just so you guys are up to date. Another $28,000 day shorting the overall NASDAQ market. So by being in SQQQ, I talked about this yesterday in our Sunday Stock Talk. When the market goes down, SQQQ goes up. It is a triple leverage ETF. It's something that I wouldn't really encourage to swing trade or to hold overnight, as again, the markets tend to be more bullish than bearish, right? But overall, that's long term. This is something that I can use on the short term to be able to hedge when the markets begin to sell off, that I can make money as the markets are selling off, and I don't have to sell or sell all of my long-term positions. Why is the market selling off so much? Let's go ahead and answer that. So I actually also shorted BBBY during our live trading session today with my Learn Plan Profit Group. It's a beautiful setup, a nice little run up. We all know that these things don't last forever. I began to take my short position, and right now I have 1,000 shares short against BBBY, and I'll probably begin to reduce my position size and cover my short right around that $9.50 to $9.30 price point. I think things are only going to get worse with BBBY. But one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is, why is there so much selling pressure? Well, we just broke below a very significant level, and we were already trading to break below that significant level when the market opens. This is the NASDAQ 100 future, and we were right above 13,000 when the market opened. And fortunately, because of all this selling pressure and because I was in SQQQ, what we're looking for during today's live trading session with the LPP group is for the break below 13,000. By waiting for that break below, again, even more selling pressure followed. And it's not just really the NASDAQ that's breaking below significant levels. It's the S&P 500. It's the Dow Jones. All major markets are down. Again, this is why it's so important for you to stay up to date with overall major markets. Right now, the leader, that one that's sold off the most, is definitely the NASDAQ, then the S&P 500, and then the Dow Jones. The great thing about this is, because of how much the market ran up the past 3 to 4 weeks, it wasn't much of a surprise that selling pressure was going to follow. And as soon as people begin to lose money thinking that the market was going to make a full recovery, again, this is where that selling pressure really, or that panic selling really begins to follow. I don't think that you should panic sell at all. I talked about it with my Learn Plan Profit Group this morning, where all I'm really looking forward to is I'm going to take it day by day. And if the market continues to sell off, if I continue to be able to see a bullish pattern on SQQQ, I will short the market day by day. But my overall goal is allowing the markets to sell off and then buying Tesla, buying Apple, buying Amazon at those cheaper levels and then riding them back for the recovery. So my overall goal is still to buy the dip on those long-term plays, but just getting them at a cheap price. And for the meantime, day by day, shorting the overall NASDAQ market by trading SQQQ. So one of the things that we always want to remind you is you should never be afraid to lock in profits. Your goal is never to be perfect. Your goal should always just be to be a little bit better than what you did last time, right? So market direction, making sure that market sentiment's in your favor, and then if momentum is in place, then again, it's just a beautiful setup, and I'm very grateful that I was able to showcase my live trading today with the Learn Plan Profit Group. So again, friendly reminder, we are having our staycation winners visiting this week at the HQ. If you find yourself in Chandler, Arizona, we have our office there. It's the TechBuds HQ. You can Google it. Just feel free to send me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram, which is linked down below if you guys want to pay us a visit. It is free. Tuesday through Thursday, our visitors are going to be there, and we're going to have a pizza party on Thursday right around noon. So I hope some of you guys can join us. Just feel free to send me a message via Discord and or via Instagram, and I'll make sure that I save you a slice of pizza. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. If you guys want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link down below, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit Group, and see if it's a good fit for you. That is the only group that I work with on a closer basis. I don't offer anything else. So if you want the ability to work with me on a closer basis, you need to click that second link down below and see if our team is a good fit for you. Hope that I earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Sorry for the bad news that you guys must have heard with AMC. It's in the brink of filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and I personally think that it's just I think it's the first of many meme stocks that are going to follow. So I'm excited to follow up. We'll just open up more short positions, shorting those overall stocks. and ride them down to zero or until they delist from the market. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.